and I might have set up the wrong bed. It's actually not that bad. So if they don't have food on the train, at least these cookies and almonds will tide me over, because I doubt these are gonna last through the night. I'm at the train station. It's like 5:15. Sun's starting to come up. I'm headed to platform 2. Hopefully this all goes smoothly. Oh my god, I have so much stuff. This is me. That's not too bad. I wonder how many people I'm sharing with. Might just turn it into a couch now. This isn't too bad. Let's hope my bunkmates are okay. They've just brought me this thing. I have no idea what it is. Oh, this package contains 2 bed sheets and 1 face towel. Okay, there's a bed. Hello, namaste. Okay, we're already moving, and no one else has come in here, aside from the guy to check my ticket. Does that mean I have this whole room to myself? Because that would be awesome. Good. Oh my god, I hope. Surely we're picking, oh no, because we pick, I think there's like 5 stops. So, I'm probably just on my own for this one leg of the journey. I think we stop in Hadawar actually, which isn't that far away, so I'm sure we'll probably get more people there. I'll get this nose ring and it's too big for my nose and it bloody it hurts. We're gonna take my t-shirt out and wrap the pillow in it because God only knows. It smells a little bit like sewage in here, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. It's a good thing I wore long sleeve because it's quite cool in here. Switches are. I don't know what those switches are. Larry out. Jesus, this isn't so bad. This is actually alright. $40 or something I paid. And $37 Australian, I think, for this. For a 9-hour train. So it's pretty good. Oh, I think we're at Hardwire. I better clean up the other bed in case I have any bunkmates. A bit of lassi for breakfast. It's like a yogurt drink. It's really nice. Yum. I just realized all the beds are numbered and I don't actually know which one is mine because I didn't print my ticket. So I gotta try and figure out which bed is mine. And I might have set up the wrong bed. So somebody might come in here and be like, hey, you're in my bed. I just asked the attendant if I was in the right bed and he just shut the door on me. So I don't think he speaks English. So I'm gonna try and figure it out on my computer. Or just wait for someone to kick me out of this one. Whatever. No big deal. But I did pick bed number 9, which I didn't even do on purpose. And like that's my number because I'm born on the 9th. So hopefully it's my bed. Oh my god, this train website is a giant piece of shit, which I knew when I booked the ticket because it was such a fuck around. And I can't log in to figure out what seat is mine. But we have just left what I'm assuming was... I just missed a sign. I think this is Hardwire. No, it's Verbadra. Right, okay. So, I don't know, man. I don't know what to do. I might just sit here and hope for the best. What else am I gonna do? Whatever. Okay, so I managed to find a website where you can check your PNR number. I don't actually know what PNR means, but it's the ticket number. And it looks like... I think it says 9 here. So I think I inadvertently picked the right bed. And it's also interesting that it's number 9 and I picked number 9 and I didn't even know that it was mine or that it was number 9. So yeah, I think I'm okay. Oh my god. I hope I don't have to poop. Not that bad. It's actually not that bad at all. I can get on board with this. I've got wet wipes. Not too bad. Yeah, harassing women passengers is punishable offense. You're damn right it is. Obscene remarks, teasing, touching, stares, gestures, songs, and unwanted intentions are all forms of sexual violence. Songs. This is gonna be fun. This isn't too bad at all. I'm not going to touch anything though with my fingers. I shouldn't have touched the lock on that door. I'm going to wash my hands now. With my wet wipes that I always have. We're already almost halfway there. I had a little nap and the guy just came around and asked us what we want for lunch. I didn't even know we get lunch. So that's nice, although I'm not really sure what I ordered, but whatever. I'm pretty sure it's vegetarian, so that's all I care. So I hope it's not too spicy. I think we're coming up on New Delhi. And then there's like 3.5 hours left of the journey. I had a look in the carriage next to the toilets and it is standing room only in there, and I doubt they have aircon over there, so I'm really thankful for this nice air conditioned cabin and my nice little cozy bed that I just had a nap in. Riding in style. hour late to pick them up, so I guess that means we're an hour delayed. No big deal. I didn't have anything on for tonight anyway. I think I'm gonna try and find some yoga when I get there though, because I did find that they do it on the grass outside of the Taj Mahal. I won't do it there tonight, but check out this temple. That's cool. Go to the toilet, but I'm trying to hold it because, well, you saw the toilets. Just having a wander around. Jeez, it's warm in here. That's clearly not first class. Unfortunate. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold it. I really gotta go. There now?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Basically, just like temperature, just like India.
Yes, very similar. I used to live in Sydney.